So like that. So first, so first thing you notice is if you've looked at the original tutorial, he does yellow and white as his two opposite centers. The way that I do it is blue and green instead, because I can find the root block pieces easier, and that's how I do it in Mayor and in my 4x4 method. So, and then after that you want to find a root block. Solve a root block, which I do over here. So solving a root block is pretty trivial. It's just a little bit harder than solving it on 4x4. I've got one more piece to solve. So there's the root block. So then after that, instead of solving like the centers like you would in Mayor 5 or something like that, you want to go and solve this block. So kind of like a root block, but in one layer. So usually what I'll do is I'll build the center block like that, 1 by 1 by 3, bring it down, and then I'll try to solve one on one side like that, and then I'll find the wing that'll pair it and go down here. So that one's wrong. That's the right color wing, but the wrong wing. So the right wing is right there. So there it is. And then I can just insert it like that and mess that up. Like that, and solve it. And now there's a block right here, and this one won't fit because it goes down here. So the other wing is right there. Like that. Insert it like that. And now you've got this second piece, you want to go get the middle. And what I'll usually do is I'll find the centers, the actual centers themselves don't need to be oriented till this step. So at this step, I'll usually orient the centers, and I'll get a 1 by 1 by 3 block on white again, and then I'll get 1 by 1 by 3 block on the front and back, but I'll also insert this at the same time. So there's this piece, and now the center's oriented as well in the middle. So now we've got one more to solve. There's a piece. So usually the rule is for this block building part, you want to solve the D center pieces first, and then block build as much of the other centers as you can. That was really inefficient. Okay, and on this last step, after this first part, you don't need to look for the right wing, because there's only the sedges, the second step, the second part, and the third part, all the wings that you look at are going to be right. So there's that one, and now the two are right here. There's that center piece, center block. There's the edge, like so. And now we've got our block. Now after this, it's reduction after this. So I use AVG edge pairing, so this will be a short guide on that. So you want to first find a semi-pair, which there's two of right here, because it's a connected sedge and a wing edge. So like these two right here. And you want to bring them back so that they're in the back and the unsolved piece is right here. So then if you can't find one, then it's fairly simple to make one. It's not that hard. So then you look at the piece in the buffer, which is blue, yellow, and then you just keep matching this color to the sedge. So it's blue, yellow, and then you slice, and you see the piece you just displaced is green, white. And then you just insert a green, white sedge, insert. So you're really just looking for sedges this whole time. So sedges meaning center edges. So orange, yellow, green, white, green, white. And it's really simple. Look ahead is really quick in this step, because you're just looking for the middle pieces and matching them up with this. So orange and yellow right there. Orange and yellow, and I know it's going to be green, orange next, so the green, orange is right there. Nope, that's wrong. Green, orange, like that. And then it's also another green orange. Slice, blue yellow, solves that one, and then there's the last two edges case. So this last two edge case, I just do the Yao, and then I have parity right here. Oh, that didn't work. So now I've got, I actually don't have that. Okay, I was wrong. So it's really just looking for sedges the whole time, so it's pretty nice. Look ahead is decent, and it's just as efficient as free slice, slice moves wise. So now you finished all of edge pairing, and now you want to do edge orientation. And because I'm not color neutral whatsoever, edge orientation is really nice. I just look for yellow pieces that are wrong and green on top. So these two are green on top, and these two are wrong because there's yellow on the side. So I can just do sledgehammer, U2, sledgehammer to solve that. And then it's just Petrus, so Petrus, or however you want to call it. And Petrus is really fast. There's that. And now I do know COLL, so I'm going to do a COLL algorithm right here. And then EPLL, which in this case is an HPerm. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked that tutorial. And toodles.